But the real magic begins when you leave the main avenue. Just west of Tiananmen lies Dashilar. Many locals consider this area the true heart of old Beijing. Dashilar is a maze of narrow lanes, hidden courtyards, traditional storefronts, workshops, and hutongs. Unlike grand imperial landmarks, these streets tell the story of everyday people. For centuries, craftsmen worked here, shopkeepers built family businesses here, and generations of Beijingers lived their lives in these alleys. Every turn reveals another piece of Beijing's living history.